For users of VG software, the ability to analyze CT data is obvious. No matter what you're looking for, surface dimensions, internal features, material indications, VG software is a valuable tool in the toolbox. The complex applications may be the first thing that all metrologists consider when using any software, but it can be the simple things that make all the difference. We often focus on how to measure and qualify parts and forget that one of the biggest challenges can be how to communicate the results. With digital measurement results, VG software can offer a unique way to manipulate and view data. Let's look at a few different options for how we can adjust the visualization in VG to better communicate about our parts. One common case is wanting to visualize the scroll through a part in a rotational direction. If you have a cylindrical part or feature, it can make more sense to move through the internal characteristics around an axis. For this example, we investigated the gap thickness between a bottle and a cap. In the standard 2D views, the scroll function moves linearly through the alignment axis. For the top-down view, this works perfectly. But for the side views, the analysis becomes distorted. Let's try adjusting the view so that we can see it rotationally. First, build the geometry for rotational axis. For this example, apply a cylinder to the neck of the bottle. Next, edit your window layout by going to the Window ribbon and opening the Layout Editor. Highlight the viewing window that you would like to be a rotational view and select Rotation View from the options. You can now select the Configure button displayed in the window. Define the orientation by selecting the geometry element built previously, the cylinder fit to the neck of the bottle, and select OK. You can now scroll through the slices rotationally in the viewing window. This option is useful to show cylindrical or rotationally symmetrical features. You can take this one step further and unroll the data to show the gap analysis in a single plane. Doing this allows you to see the analysis all at once to look critically for any areas of concern. Go back to your Layout Editor. Choose the Quad Profile option from the Preset Selection drop-down. Replace the Front View with Rotation View to maintain the options we previously set up. Select the Profile window and choose the Non-Planar View option. Select OK. Select the Configure button. Choose the Unroll option from the Mode drop-down menu. Choose the fitting cylinder as a source object. You can now see the unrolled view of the bottleneck in your viewing window. Adjusting the view options in VG software is a simple and useful way to better visualize and communicate about CT data analysis. By making the views more comprehensive, they become more accessible for anyone looking critically at specific features. Give this useful tip a try the next time you're investigating a case with the rotational axis.